Welcome. In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, tap on device icon to open the device page. On this page you should see your Redmi Watch 5, and under it you should see Manage Watch Faces. Tap on All right here in the corner to open the online store. And here we have the watch faces we can download on our watch. You have different categories also. You can browse through them. And once you find the watch face you would like to use, simply tap on it, then tap on Apply, and it will start installing. And once it's done, it will be applied on our watch. Like that. And you can install multiple watch faces if you like to. And once you're done installing them and you want to change between them, you can tap on Local, and here you have the list of watch faces installed on our watch. You can tap on one, tap on Apply, and it will be applied. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.